Good day everyone, I am Jan Melody Ligan from College of Criminal Justice Education, and for today I will explain my experience in conducting macro crime causation and what is the connection of macro crime causation in chemistry. My experience of conducting macro crime causation was very excellent because I learned the correct procedure for conducting and gathering evidence to know or to condemn the actual offender. For me, one of the scenarios in macro crime causation that I already conducted is to connect in chemistry is to take a fingerprint and take blood from the victim to find out who is the real guilty is. But then also, we can connect the chemistry in drug test. For example, clearly drug testing within the CGS has become an important and established tool both for the identification of the problem drug users and for encouraging and monitoring compliance with drug rehabilitation orders. And today, I will interview some also student of University of Mindanao that already experienced macrosine and that can connect into the chemistry. What is your name?
My name is Unity Balog from the University of Mindanao. I'm criminology student.
Um, I will ask you some question that can relate that into our courses. What is your experience in conducting macro crime scene?
Okay. So during my first sem, which is fundamental of investigation. So my group was 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 giving me a task to conduct a mock crime scene. So for that I just thinking about what is the crime that should I conduct. So the first is killing. I perform a killing. So the experience is that is it was interesting because as a future criminology, as a future police or law enforcement. So it is my pleasure to conduct a mock crime scene to determine the the accusation of crime and who been committed in the crime.
Okay, thank you for the first question. And my second question is, in what part in the macro crime scene that you already conducted that can connect to the chemistry?
Oh, okay. So one of the part in the conducting is collecting evidence. So in collecting evidence, you should be collect all the necessary evidence that can help to determine or to solve the crime. So in collecting evidence like blood, so in that chemistry can also help to determine through any liquids or in the fingerprints through liquid it can help to determine the suspect or the person committing the crime.
Okay, thank you for that wonderful answering my question, and that's all. Thank you for your time, Miss Balug.
Thank you.
By the way, what is your name?
I'm Chris Gonzalez.
Chris Gonzalez. My question is, what is your experience in conducting macro crime scene?
My experience is working in such a scene. The process must be clean and follow the steps that must be done because when you are conducting or gathering data on what happened in that crime scene or that area, you or we must be careful and know what is forbidden and right in the process. What we're doing is likely to be flowed that includes in these tools, and the first tools that we use is labs that we use that for gathering or collecting data. That's
Okay.
it.
My second question is, what is the connection of macro crime scene in chemistry? In what part of macro crime scene that can connect in chemistry?
connecting chemistry in the crime scene, which is taking blood from the victim or taking evidence from the suspect, is part of chemistry because this type there is a high possibility of facilitating the case or problem of the victim, though there are many processes getting the evidence and apply to the victim is a big help to the SOCO agency.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Gonzales. Thank you for your time and God bless.